My name is Rosaria Conte. I'm a cognitive and social scientist, and I work at the Cognitive Science and Technology Institute of Italian National Research Council. The basic idea is to integrate different scientific disciplinary approaches and areas like complexity science, the social sciences, and the ICT to provide a new foundation for the science of society, on one hand, to answer some transformative foundational problems of society, like how to prevent crime from spreading everywhere, how to predict financial crisis, how to respond to problems of health, and so on and so forth. And with the ultimate end to create a new science of the co-evolution of ICT technology and society. We know that, unfortunately, organized crime is now making at a very fast pace revenues which may be compared to the GDP of small, medium countries, which means that they are highly prosperous systems, and we need an innovative way of looking at them. We need to understand why they are so prosperous. We need to understand how they can get easily ingrained in one society and how they move to other societies. And of course, we need to know which will be their next moves. First of all, collective behavior is not decided top-down. It is often an emergent phenomenon, and it emerges from the interaction among highly autonomous systems, which do not need to be rational systems, but still they are intelligent systems that act on their own representations of the reality and their own representations of other agents. We need a large federated, interdisciplinary, and not only multidisciplinary, but really interdisciplinary effort. The difference being that we need computer scientists, social scientists, physicists, complex system scientists, work side by side, putting together, coupling their competencies and expertise on the same domain, on the same problems, modeling the same phenomena, and producing interesting, innovative technologies for dealing with, for managing such a complexity. First of all, we will have a set of infrastructures, what we call the nervous planetary system, which is a system of sensors that receive inputs from stakeholders, from the society, from the internet, from the social networks, and conveys, analyzes this data and conveys the results of the treatment, of the data treatment, to what we call the Living Earth simulator, which basically is a platform for simulation, numerical simulations and agent-based simulations, which provide recommendations to decision makers and provides, of course, guidelines for tailoring the ICT technologies. I think the main challenge is to have really socially, not only socially inspired, but socially aware ICT systems and scaling agent-based simulation, both from the point of view of the dimension of the population simulated and from the point of view what we call the vertical scaling up, from the point of view of the agent complexity. Basically what we want to do is a sort of system that provides the self to society, a social awareness that is able, within certain desired limits and values, to provide guidelines for society to evolve. The idea here is to have society somehow self-regulated within defined social values by means of ICT systems which are not only capable of forecasting events, but are able to have theories of mind. In other words, to have a certain awareness of other systems and of themselves. Therefore, the idea is to build a society which is better ruled by means of these really innovative, transformative ICT systems.